How much money and how much work does it really take to restore a Mitsubishi off-road vehicle? Even though it's in terrible shape, once it's refurbished, it's still a war machine that can take you anywhere you want to go. In places others can't reach, you can still carve out a road. Let's take a look at its restoration process. Bye-bye, you'll like it. And clear Korean lyrics. Such a physical night they fight, you love fight. Such a physical night, but you're all fine, do you wanna hold? Tonight the rain has stopped, and the smell of rice drifts in the air. Such a beautiful night, but you love I do you. It's hard for me to get ping pong. It's hard, isn't it, for someone who so good. I'll see more. Go to the back of your boy. What's up? Can't tell if it's all good or not. After musical night, but you'll all fight, do you wanna hold me tight? This sad night falls, burying someone's heart. Such a beautiful night, but you're not right, do you wanna hold me tight? It's such a physical night they fuck you all night, do you? But you love me, do you wanna hold me back? 1 to 6, 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 watch out, the fire dragon might appear and cause chaos in Hanoi. So how much does it really cost to get a Mitsubishi off-road vehicle ready? That's something many people wonder about, myself included, because every car's condition is different, and the parts that need to be replaced are different too. The areas that have aged are also not the same. If you don't take it apart and inspect it, you'll never know. Take this car as an example. Before we tore it down, it seemed like nothing was wrong. After disassembly, you see it differently. Let's take a look at its chassis and engine. Oh my God. Was it worth it? We had already gone through the frame and the engine before. Now we've stripped the whole car down to give it a full respray. Once the paint is done, let's see how it turns out. and clear Korean lyrics in the background.